walking around the block, so I gotta get my exercise. Got to get my exercise. All right, see you guys. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Coach Lonnie, and my dog is waiting for me to take her out for a walk. I see a lot of people with their dogs. I don't know how she's going to react when she sees another dog, but she has been barking and talking to me. She's excited because it's something new, right? Right, little dog? Her name is Gigi, but her nickname is Little Dog, so we call her Little Dog. Give the camera a kiss. Give the camera a kiss. She's too excited. Too excited. I'm sitting here with my phone charged because I forgot to charge my phone, and it's 23%, and I want to make a video for today on my phone, all right, and upload it to YouTube. I'm gonna let it charge for a little bit. I have been reading a little bit about my book here about goals. This is a really great book. It's Brian Tracy. It's about goals, how to get everything you want faster than you ever thought possible. All right, success means setting goals. Everything else is commentary. So says best-selling business guru Brian Tracy, author of the remarkable book whose first edition reveals the extraordinary power of goal setting. Without goal setting, there can be no success. For how can you succeed if you don't know where you are going or what success means to you? In clear, vivid prose, Tracy shows how your life immediately improves when you identify what you want, how you set your goals, create plans to achieve it, and to follow your plans every day. You'll also learn about clarify your values, your belief and goals, remove roadblocks, measure your progress, visualize your goals continually, persist until you succeed. This book I got at Barnes & Noble for sale and was only $10. And it is actually a powerful book. I have been sharing some content with you on my videos about his book. It's excellent. It's plain simple. It's a very easy book to read. It's not complicating, and I often, when I pick up a book, it's good to read something every day. So I'm gonna pick a page and I'm gonna read it to you right now, because I believe that there is a word in here for you and I to actually know what we need today. Okay, so let's open the book. Let's see. Okay, this is what I'm going to read today. All right. Okay, analyze your starting point. All right, I'm going to read that to you. Get a complete medical checkup so that you know exactly where you are today. What is your current weight? Oh my gosh, this is just a word for me. Exactly. Oh my gosh. Write out a description of your current physical lifestyle. How much do you exercise each week? How many hours do you sleep each night, and how well do you sleep? Analyze your current diet and level of nutrition. List the foods you eat regularly and the vitamins and mineral supplements that you take on a daily basis. Before you begin any physical fitness program, get advice from your doctor, consult a physical fitness specialist, talk to a personal trainer. Remember, it doesn't matter where you are coming from. All that really matters, is where you're going. Oh my gosh. This is like confirmation for me, because I just saw the doctor consulting about my health and controlling my diabetes. I'm type 2. So this is an excellent word for me. Now, if you're watching this video, this probably is for you too. Oh my gosh. It's a confirmation from my God. All right. Okay. So, I'm here at the park with my dog. I'm going to go for a walk. I see everybody with their dogs. But I'm going to go now. All right. And make it short and sweet. And I will maybe make another little clip while I'm walking my dog and with her at this park. All right. I'll see you in the next clip. Back again. Hi. It's Coach Nadia Ann. And here's the little dog. Yep. We're going to be going for a walk. So, let's walk. All right, little dog. This is an awesome park. It's a big round track. Talk to you later. Hi everyone. This is a view of the park. I did say earlier block. I usually walk around my block where I live, but this is actually a track. It goes all the way around. In the middle is a baseball field, and we're going down the trail, right, little dog? So she's leading the way. All right, and here we go. She's really enjoying this. So you guys can follow my video. I'm getting my exercise just like what the doctor told me to do. Oh my, little dog. Somebody else's dog barked at my little dog. She not paying attention to any other dog. Gigi. All right. She's actually getting her exercise. This is a very big track. That's a long way to go. Now, last August, I ran this 4 times around, non-stop. And let me tell you a little bit about my blood sugar. When I moved back home from Chicago here in 2017, my blood sugar was really high. It was number 10, and the doctor consulted me. I got it down to 7, but now it went back to 9 because of the COVID. I stopped exercising and I stopped running. So this is a really nice park to be for me right now, and the word was confirmed as I read you earlier, that we need to take care of our health. Okay, little dog. All right. I'll see you in a doing. I think she wants to do a number 2. Oh my gosh, she has to poop. Little dog, we hardly even started walking. I can tell by the way she is acting. All right, yeah, she got to poop. Thank God I got a plastic bag here. Okay, wait. All right, I had to pick it up. Okay, little dog. This is her day, isn't it? Oh, it's so beautiful out here. Big track. Okay, let's go. Na 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 na. Guess what? I'm on the bleachers. Nobody's around. And no, nobody's playing in the baseball field. But na 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 na. Hey hey hey. Goodbye. There's nobody there, little dog. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey hey hey. Little dog. Alright, let's go walking. Everybody working out on the machines. Alright, little dog. This is your day. You lead the way. She is leading the way. Go this way. Yeah. She is leading the way. So how you like the video so far? It's very different, isn't it? All right. Am I supposed to step on the grass? Oh. Okay. Come on. It's not so hot yet. I'm still here at the park. We'll probably go again one more time. I'll see you later. Oh, okay, I'm heading back to the car. I think the little dog is thirsty. Come on. She knows where the car is. Not that one. My white car. Okay, little dog, let's go back in. We're gonna go back in the car. She's ready to go back in. That was a long walk, huh? Yeah. She did a little extra one. Okay, everyone, I am back. Me and the little dog. She had an awesome time, and she's still looking outside. That was a walk. All right. But call to action, everyone, is subscribe to my channel. Want to learn how to make money online? Click on the link below this video. Get started making money. Very easy to make money, but it does take work. It does take a lot of effort, and you have to put a lot of effort and treat it like a real job. Okay, if you want to make money online, you got to treat it like a real job. All right. My dog is looking at another dog. Are you looking at that other dog? Yeah, she's staring at him. Oh boy, we had a good morning, didn't we, little dog? We had an excellent walk, and I'm still gonna go walk her around the block where I live, but this is actually her first time, like I say, at this park. And I will talk to you all later, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.